What are you doing today? What is that?
Play Doh. Open it. Let's see what it looks like.
Let's see what's inside. Teagan's favorite color. Phoebe.
I got the blue. This is for the other toy. Look at this thing.
What are all those things? We got red. What color?
Green.
Green. What color?
And I put
Yellow.
blue.
And Teagan has blue.
I use squirter here. We have a squirter here.
A little squirter? Oh yeah, I can make the little crazy hair.
Look at my little nail eyes.
Oh, little eyes. Different kinds of eyes. And teeth. Look, those look like teeth.
With a dinosaur.
Oh, so you can make eyes and mouths. This can make mouths and arms, and there's an ear. You can even make the hair with that.
Or you can even make a pencil crab arm.
Pinchy crab arms. Those do look like pinchy crab arms, or maybe like a robot. Like a robot. We got hands. Oh, look, those look like little chicken feet.
Oh, and then look at that. It looks like a hat.
That is a hat. Your favorite blue hat. What kind of hat is that?
The blue hat.
This one? What kind is that one?
A cowboy hat.
A cowboy hat. Okay. What do you think? What color do you want to use, Phoebe?
Red.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna do the blue.
Okay.
We're gonna have to get the blue out. Well, we're gonna have blue dough. We're gonna have blue dough. Big red ball.
I'm gonna have to move it around a little.
It smells good.
It smells good.
Yeah. Ooh.
Ooh.
It looks like Play-Doh.
Yeah, it's almost like Play-Doh.
Or maybe they'd be like old.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna get slow ones on there.
Start with your eyes.
It's a good eye.
There's little googly eyes. These are tall eyes.
I want to get this eye. I want to get this eye.
There's some noses.
I want to get this eye.
Okay.
I'm squirting.
Where are you putting your eyes?
Look, it looks funny.
Oh, it looks funny. Show Daddy.
Oh.
Look at Phoebe's. Yeah, Mommy's hair here. Show Daddy.
It looks like your mustaches.
What else do you think they
They're
need?
your mustaches.
They're-
This how this happy face.
Oh, that's a cute happy face. That almost looks like a little banana.
Mommy, I'm going to stick it right on here.
Perfect.
Can I get some arms? Look at mine.
Wow, that looks great.
Happy face, happy face. I get some long arms.
Great job. What are these little things?
Like little red cheeks.
Little red cheeks.
Yeah, and look at this mouth. With this mouth.
What is that mouth?
It's a crazy mouth.
It's a crazy mouth. You don't want that one?
Mine is hot. My head is high.
Oh, great job.
Mine is going to have a mustache. That one has a mustache. And we can't put it on. This one could go on.
You took your mouth out?
Yeah, this one, because what it is like, it has a mustache.
This one has a mustache. Is that the one you wanted to make, Phoebe?
Yeah. It has some blue antennas.
Oh yeah, it has some blue antennas. Phoebe found the blue antennas.
I get my nose. It got the blue coil on it. Blue antennas on it. Look, Mommy, now we have a nose. Ta-da!
Ta-da! looks so silly. I love it.
It's mad.
It's mad.
Look at mine, Mommy.
Oh, I love it. It looks so silly.
Look at mine. It looks so silly.
That would look so silly too, Tiggy.
And now squirt some hair.
Yeah, squirt some hair.
Mine looks crazy.
It looks so crazy. Hey, look, it has all these mouths. What is this?
I almost that.
A little mustache under its mouth.
Yeah.
It's got some, what are these?
Little pissy crabs.
Little pinchy crab arms on the back.
Yeah.
Little antennas.
Yeah, and they're gonna get one on the back.
So we filled it up with the green, and you're gonna push it through, and it's gonna come out this way and make the stringy little hair. Go ahead.
Yeah. I make sense. Oh my God.
Hard to push. Let's push it this way. Push it down. Whoa!
Look at that hair coming out.
Look at all that crazy hair.
Look at it.
Do you want some?
Yeah.
Take some.
Yeah.
Phoebe, do you want some hair?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's push it down.
Let's like this off. Look, I'm tired of
Push it down. Ready?
Okay, I'll do it by myself. I'm tired of hair, Mommy.
Good job. All tangled up hair.
I'll be grassing. It needs a little bit of antennas. I'll put you. Hey, look there. Look at this. Let's see what ear. Look at my.
Oh, that's a cute ear.
His hair is all done.
Oh, his hair looks so good.
See, his hair could be like that.
It's like this one?
Mustache. On this one, not
Oh,
that
that is
one,
a crazy
Mommy.
mustache. Not that one?
No.
I can't use that one?
No, because it belongs to this one.
Teagan, what's your little monster's name?
Bubble cream.
Bubble Cream?
Yeah. That one has a turn.
Phoebe, what's your monster's name?
Squat.
Squash?
Yeah.
That's silly.
It's going to name Squat. Hey, what? My nose got some ears. That's what it looks like. Can I make some more hair?
More for you.
More green. I got some more green. Oh, now the yellow hair.
Good job.
Teagan, two little hair. It's tickling. Look at that hair.
Good job. That's some long hair.
I got all that yellow hair out.
Beautiful.
And we're watching TV